Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends, and also give us the thumbs up to enable us to enable you to update you each time we post interesting and educating content just like the one you are about to watch. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can set up a free website for your affiliate marketing business. And the first thing we have to do is go to site.google. It's still loading, network is very bad. So when you get to this place, you see different templates here. So all you have to do is start with a new template. When you click on start with a new template, you see. So here you have you have the template you want to work with. So now they said enter site name. So I can decide to enter the name I want for this particular site. I can just decide to write make. I can come here and type in make money online. Okay, then this is my page title. So I have to put a page title here. Okay, before I do this, I can decide to import a picture either from my system. So I don't have suitable pictures here. So for the sake of this, I'll just click on anything, just to use it for this teaching. So look at the way I just clicked on importing something from my gallery. So now I'm going to change this to make money.
Hello, Catherine.
Welcome, sir.
So I'm also drop this out of
So once you have uploaded a picture, the kind of picture that you want done, depending on what you are marketing. If you are marketing for product that's maybe drugs or any other thing, you can put in the picture that reflect what you are marketing. You are just trying to create a website for the product you are marketing for free. So now I have to write. Now I have to like how to make money on Canva. Now I want to write make money selling Canva templates. So now I'm trying to create a website that I will teach people how they can make money selling Canva templates. Now the the letters they are too big, so I want to lessen it again a little bit low. I just want it to be in a straight line. So you see, I'm going to make these. I want to give these a color that will suit me. Okay, let's say something like this. Make money selling Canva templates. So once I've done this, I'll come to this part and put text box. So here I'm not the one typing. I'll just go to the website now. I'll ask them the question how to make money selling Canva templates. So this person has written something related to it. So I want to look for. I'm going to look for one. Okay, let's see what this person has. Then I'll see open my springboards.com. I'll open it because I have to paraphrase. I'm not copying everything. Okay. and come here and copy this. Okay, let's say how to sell Canva templates and make extra income. Okay, what I'm interested in these ones. All these things he wrote. This is what I'm interested in. I have to copy all these things, copy them. Then I'm going to paraphrase these things. I'm going to paraphrase these things best. See, I'm going to paraphrase this into basic paraphrase. So I have to relax and watch it to paraphrase itself. After which I'll copy the one, yes, this is the one I will paraphrase, the one I will copy. So they say wouldn't, they say couldn't, it be superb. So it depends, couldn't it be wonderful? So there are differences. So you just have to make sure you don't copy what someone else wrote and just paste it on Google, because Google will find out that you copied what another person wrote. So now I'm going to paste it here. This is exactly what the person did. This is exactly what the person did. Okay. Now it depends on me. It depends on me now. If I have any link I want to use to any link and my everything that will be directing them to the Canva that I want them to register on and start making money to, then it's not left for me to copy the affiliate link. Let me try getting my affiliate link. Good. Copy my affiliate link and put it there. Guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video because it will help you to make your own money online. So guys, once you have come to this place, I have copied, paraphrased, and you have already pasted it on the website that you're trying to create. The only thing you have to do now is to go to the product site, the site that has the product that you want to market. Copy the affiliate link. You can either shorten your affiliate link. If you don't know how to shorten your affiliate link, there's a video I made on YouTube on how you can shorten your affiliate link. So when you copy it, you watch that video and learn how you can shorten the affiliate link so that you will use it. You can paste it here. So now I'm looking for a place to paste this my affiliate link. Say how I started selling on Canva. I can just come here to paste it. I will highlight this. Then when I highlight it, look at this insert link here. Or then I will click on it, paste my link that I copied. I will apply it. So you see this is active. So when you click on this, it's taking you to the Canva site where you can register. So you don't do this thing too much because it will look so childish. So try as much as possible to limit the number of links that you put in. But make sure you read and also make corrections so that you know what you are doing. So this is it. Once you are done with this, all you have to do is then if you also want to add pictures here in between the text, you can also add your pictures. For me, I don't want to add pictures because I like the way it's looking already. So all I have to do now is then go to publish. I'll go to publish. Now what is my website name? My website name is my website address is make money selling selling Canva templates. So this is my website address. I'm using the same name I used here. So all I have to do now is to publish this. So you see guys, it's publishing. So publish this, so we have to view it. They say view. So to view it, look at what I've come up with. You see it, this is what it will look like when visitors come to your website. So this is active. So when they click on this, they are automatically going to the Canva website where they will be able to register and start selling templates online. So you can do this from the comfort of your home. You don't need to start paying money online to start designing a landing page or a website. You don't need to pay people to do it. You can do this by yourself. All you need is just your lessons on how to do it and you start making money online. Okay, so this is what it will actually look like and appear when visitors visit the website. So when they click on this, they want to know what they click on this, it will take them directly to the place that you want them to be. Maybe either the product site, so they'll be able to buy what they want and also get more information from maybe your website and other things that you need. You need them to know about the product. So guys, this is exactly how you can create your own website without paying any money to anybody, without paying a dime. You can do this from the comfort of your home. Just all you need is an internet connection that will help you to do all of this. So guys, if you know you enjoyed watching this video, do well to type in "I'm happy" in the comment section, and also do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and also share to your friends and family who are interested on knowing how to generate more funds online, even as a student, as a stay-home mom, and more. So guys, goodbye and enjoy the rest of the day.